Walk-in interviews for the post of LDCs purely on contract basis for a period of 10 months were scheduled to be held in our office today. The timings for the token distribution was fixed from 10 to 1. A total of 1045 candidates came who took the tokens for their turns. After the distribution of tokens, their certificates were identified, and since the quantum of the candidates was such that they could not be interviewed in a single day, the schedule for the holding of interviews was displayed. Today we have held interviews for the token holders from number 1 to 400. After the preliminary scrutiny of their papers, only 329 were found to be with all the valid documents required. So 329 candidates were interviewed today. So tomorrow the interview schedule is for the token holders from the numbers 401 to 800. So those will be eliminated whose papers have not been found to be in place today. So document verification is complete, documents are in our custody. Only the token holders are required to come and check whether their candidature has been found to be fulfilling all the requirements. So we've had a complete round of interviews. So it was a difficult task even to interview 329 candidates in a day. But then taking a cue from the chaos which happened in North Goa, so we had taken ample arrangements. A lot of staff was put in. So we have 10 different boards functioning so that we have easy scrutiny of the documents, and things have managed in well. So we hope to complete our round of interviews by 13th. So today was the first day, second round will be on 8th, thereafter 9th, followed by 12th and 13th. So by 13th we will complete our round of interviews for the post of LDCs.